Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a dataset into a full, stunning and detailed interactive dashboard using Claude in just a few minutes. And the amazing thing is you don't have to have any extensive knowledge of Excel or coding at all, and you will be able to customize it in any way you want to suit your own data. So what we're going to do is upload our dataset, and I've created a hypothetical dataset which I'll leave in the description so you can follow along. We'll use Claude to generate the perfect prompt that is tailored to this dataset, and then turn it into a full dashboard with insights, charts, and filters. So let's start off with uploading the data. So inside Claude, I'm going to click on the plus icon and upload my dataset. And just to give you an idea of what this dataset contains, it's a hypothetical dataset of an online learning platform. And you can see we've got things like course names, student IDs, enrollment dates, revenue, completion rates, and regions, and you can use any dataset for your case. Now, once we've uploaded the dataset, the most important part here is that we will get Claude to write the prompt for us based on the information in our dataset. So I will not ask it to analyze and create the dashboard just yet. I will first add this prompt. You are an expert prompt engineer and data analyst. Analyze the uploaded dataset and understand its structure, variables, and relationships. Based on this dataset, write a high-quality, detailed prompt that can be used to generate a professional interactive dashboard, and here I give it some context. So the dataset represents an online learning platform with courses, students, enrollments, revenue, and completion rates. And here you can add or change any of these or leave it to suggest what it should come up with. Build a clean, modern, executive-level dashboard. Include key KPIs such as total revenue, total students, and average completion rate. Include at least 10 charts and visualizations. Add filters for date, category, and region. Show trends over time. Generate clear insights and highlight key patterns. Structure the layout clearly, and finally the output requirements. Return only the final prompt ready to be copied and used. And you can see now that it's examining our actual data to come up with the best dashboard prompt. And the great thing here is that we let Claude generate a much stronger prompt than we could write manually, and now you'll see this is a full structured prompt. So it starts by defining the role. You're a senior data analyst and front-end engineer. Then it specifies the output, build a professional interactive dashboard, and deliver it as a self-contained HTML file. Then it provides the data specification, the file name, number of rows, whether there is any missing data, and then some information on each of the columns. And then it goes into detailed design requirements and even specifies here, think McKinsey, Stripe, linear not stock template dashboards, and then gives some information on the colors, typography, and then all the details on the layout. So first the header, then the global filter bar, and so on. And this is the key trick to get Claude to generate this actual detailed prompt for your dataset. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this detailed prompt that it has generated, start a new chat, upload the dataset again, and paste the prompt. And now we'll generate, and you can see that it's now analyzing the data, and within a few minutes it actually builds the full dashboard. Okay, so now our full dashboard has been generated. Let's just make it a bit bigger, and it's produced all the visualizations, the trends, the charts, everything we have specified. So let's just download the HTML file and open it up so we can see the full picture. So starting from the top, I can change the time range, let's say last 90 days, and you can see all the numbers update instantly. I can specify the year or even choose my own specific dates. I can then filter by category, and again, it's fully interactive, so reflects the data from my sheet or by region or by course. Below that, it examines the main trends, and we've got the charts for the monthly enrollments, monthly revenue, and cumulative revenue. Then we have our charts on the revenue by category and enrollments by category. We have the top 10 courses by revenue. We have the engagement deep dive. So you can imagine how this can really bring your data to life. So in this video, we took a data set, asked Claude to generate the perfect prompt, and turned it into a full interactive dashboard in just a few minutes. And make sure to subscribe, as we'll be looking at some really practical outputs with Claude. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.